Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. So if it's not like working or something like that, you can go ahead and easily just reset this. So go to the top right, go to settings right here, scroll on down, and we want to find apps. So go to apps, then go on down, and we want to look for the Google Play Store. So let's scroll on down and we should be able to find it on here, the Google Play Store. Here it is, Google Play Store right here. And you can just uninstall the updates. Go to the top right, click that, go to uninstall updates, go to OK, uninstalling. And then if that still doesn't work, we can go into where it says storage. Just go to clear cache, clear data. Then we can go to open right here. Now you can also go to Google Play Services and you can do the same thing, uninstall the updates. Okay. And then we can go back over to storage and we can do the same thing under here. So let's find storage, clear, delete data. Okay. Now you can delete all the data, total data used by Google services including search engine, locally saved, Chrome and stuff. So you can decide what you want to go ahead and do. So I'm not going to delete any of that. Now what we want to do is just go back over to the Google Play Store and open this up, and you're going to see it's reset. It's going to like show the screen, kind of like when you first logged in. Get started, okay. We're going to skip this. No, thank you. Not now. And then I'm back on here. So if it wasn't working, go ahead and just try resetting those things. And you should still be logged in with your account and stuff. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.